So, welcome everyone. This is Wayne Bass from Humanities here at Heartland, and today I'm going to be going over Google Earth, which I found to be a fantastic tool. Oh, hold on, wait. How did these pictures of my amazing newborn daughter get here? Hold on, everybody. Let me see if I can get this. I don't know why this is happening, everybody. I'm sorry for the technical difficulty. Okay, yeah, we're back. Okay, that's good. Sorry about that, everybody. How did that happen? Oh, it happened again. I don't know what's going on with this technology. There we go. There we go. We're back. Sorry, everybody. I don't know why that happened. You know, technology these days. So, like I said, I'm going to be going over Google Earth. You can find this at earth.google.com. The category that I would put this in is as a research tool, and it's a fantastic research tool. It is indeed free. You don't even have to have a Google account to use it. It's easy to use. As you can see, just kind of surfing around, visiting different places, it's intuitive. To follow the map is not a difficult thing to do. You just kind of dive in and out of places. You can bookmark places, you can save them, you can explore. They have this feature that's just fantastic where you can get a street level view of whatever place that you're looking at. So we can go and we can explore the pyramids of Giza. We can see the Kaaba in Saudi Arabia. I'm going to show you all those things. And so it's fantastic, and it's pretty intuitive. The Google Earth itself does not need to be downloaded. However, you can just use it online. That's simple enough. But if you look here, you'll see that there is a downloadable version called Google Earth Pro that includes a lot more features. It includes this virtual tour feature that you can take. Anytime you pan in on a particular place, it shows you the virtual tours in the area of whatever field you're looking at, whatever part of the globe you're looking at. It has bookmarks places, borders, countries, everything. It's pretty fantastic. What I really like about this is teaching humanities, particularly non-Western humanities. If you've ever traveled anywhere outside of the country, you know that there's really no substitute for visiting a place as far as giving you a sense of how real it is and how different it is. This to me seems like it could actually be the next best thing to that. In other words, the objectives of the course center on understanding the different cultures in these parts of the world. And in the absence of the possibility of students actually visiting those places, this is the best second option that I have seen, and I just found it out about it yesterday. I mean, I knew about Google Earth, but the possibility of using it in my class just became real to me yesterday. So in terms of UDL, I see this being most useful in terms of engagement and giving students choices in terms of engagement and motivating them. So, for instance, you could begin by pointing students to very specific areas like the Kaaba, like the pyramids, the Great Wall of China, famous statues or monuments. The Temple Mayor in Mexico City, where the Aztecs did their, tens of thousands of human sacrifices. So you could begin by pointing them to these areas, and then the students could begin exploring on their own and finding their own areas and finding areas that I hadn't seen or other students hadn't seen or considered. So I feel like that could, in terms of the engagement, you could really personalize it in that way and turn them into little explorers that they're exploring these places in Google Earth. So in terms of meeting higher order thinking outcomes, I thought that students could incorporate screenshots from Google Earth in a virtual tour that they designed. They tour and become a little specialist in a particular place, and they capture a few photos from Google Earth, screenshots from Google Earth, and work that into a kind of virtual tour. That sounds fantastic to me. And then students could also maybe relate, compare, and contrast structures found in one area with structures found in another area. So in terms of the strengths, there are a lot of ways that I could see this being applied in my course. I could actually see this platform being a centerpiece in my course. So the strengths are many, just in terms of the learning that would come out the other end and the ways that it could be used, from introducing the geography of a particular region to really building something more detailed, an assignment or assessment that's more detailed. The students have to do a lot more footwork in these areas and learn a lot about one specific area or two specific areas. So the only weakness I would say is in terms of assessment. All the assessment is going to have to be localized just in Blackboard, so screenshots could be imported. I guess that's the best way that I can think. That means that students are going to have to manage those image files and bring those image files into what it is that they're doing, but that's more than doable. I'm very excited that I came across this, and thank you so much, Tracy, for pointing me in this direction, because I feel like Google Earth could really be very valuable for what I'm doing in my courses. Here's one more picture of the little girl. Bye, everybody.